what you get when you're with sadhus is the fruit of their tree. You have a tree, and they have fruits. So some fruit, if it's in a green position, you can make chutney, like mango, green mango. But not too many things you can do, but you can make the chutney. As the fruit stays longer, it becomes ripe. Then with ripe mango, then you can do many, many things. Mango ice cream, mango shake. And there's many, many multifarious uses. So there's ras in the green mango, but it's kata, what do you say? Tikka, what do you say? Sour means? Tikka ras, sour. So when you go to the sadhu, then you get the bhav, you get the feeling, you get the ras, you get the flavor. Because you have a tree of bhakti, they have a tree of bhakti. You have some, maybe you don't even have a tree. Maybe you only have a lata. We say the analogy is bhakti lata. But ultimately we want the kalpataru. We want to have the prem kalpataru. Radharani is called the prem lata, and Krishna is called the prem kalpataru. So the prem lata, the creeper winds around the tree. So the golden creeper, the golden utika of Radharani, Srimati Radharani is a golden utika, Swarna utika lata. Swarna utika lata Radha. So that Swarna utika lata, that golden creeper, creepers they climb, creeper, lata, they climb up the tree, the trunk of the tree. So the Radharani is a prem lata, says Chaitanya Charitamrita. So she's climbing the tamal tree of Krishna.